What's up, Goon Squad? We're gonna pull that Rubicon out and get the day started. We've got a lot of things that we gotta do. I just got done shipping out a bunch of decals to the people that ordered them. Guys, they're going quick. Be sure to get yours. Check out the website.
We're gonna start putting this Jeep together, like all the door surrounds and everything that we didn't get to, and the decals for the Rubicon, and possibly the rock sliders and whatnot. We just gotta start buttoning everything up. So we're about to take this hardtop off, so it'll be better to clean the inside of it and get all the parts for the doors, because everything is in this Jeep. So let's just take it off. It'll be a lot easier on us.
So we got this panel put together, and that's the reason we took off the hardtop, so we can get all the stuff in here a lot easier. Now we're gonna start putting on this panel here. So this handle can be a bit tricky to install, but I think we figured it out. So pretty much you wanna go ahead and install this rod as you're putting in the actual handle. Then you gotta pop this pin in. So there's the pin there that just clips in and it holds the rod into place. So these are the pins that hold this handle into place. Before you put any of the trim around the window here, you want to go ahead and try to put them in with some needle nose pliers, which we could have painted that, but that's just too much for us, so we're just going to toss that into the scrap pile.
It's like a brand new Jeep.
Pretty much. Out the factory, but better built. Got that in, got the handle in, and now for the trim pieces. Just threw the seal around both doors. This other panel is all put together, the seals around it. We got the crank handle on it. Next thing to do is just slap this mirror on.
Alright, so we're gonna put on this antenna bracket thing. I already pulled this out of there. You just fish it out with your finger. A little slot where it goes in, and 3 screws, and you should be good to go. This cap on, just freshly, you just touched it up with some paint. Guys, we're gonna put this little grill back on for this cowl. I just threw 6 pieces of 3M everywhere, and took off the old 3M with the razor blade, and let's just stick it on there.
Now it's going back on, ready to be fastened down and never to be taken off again. I don't think so. Just install this gas cap cover, so that's about it for that. Now I'm gonna go over here and wash these inner fenders for the rear. Alright, while those inner fenders dry out there, we're still gonna paint them. We're gonna go ahead and probably try to install this rock slider here.
Yep.
Which we're not gonna try, we're actually gonna do it. These are legit.
Yeah, I have to punch that off.
Ow.
2 rear body mounts you gotta take off.
Oh, looks like we're gonna have to unscrew these. About 1 inch, or about 1/2 inch. Because we are gonna lift up the body of the Jeep. I think we will have to loosen this whole side, and then we got to lift with that jack just enough for this to slip in right between that bushing and the body there. All right, you gotta clamp it. Good. Yep, well, here it is. Looks good so far. Too bad our rear fenders are not in. They'll be in either today or tomorrow.
Hopefully today.
So this afternoon, possibly.
That'd be awesome.
I love it. So it seated pretty good between the bushings and the body.
Yeah.
And now
nice.
pretty much we just gotta drill the holes, lift that end up.
Yeah.
Probably lift it up with the jack.
Give me that clamp. If it's even strong enough. Psych. Yeah, we'll lift it up with the jack right here.
Yeah, I lifted it up real nice.
Alright guys, so we lifted just the slider up on the edge with the jack, so it'll kind of tilt it in and pick it up high. So when we drill these holes, tighten it down, it's going to be really tight between the body and everything. I'm using a 1332, it's what it says in the instruction manual, so let's do it.
Got this side on and looking good. Now I'm moving on to this side. I'm using this tool to unscrew these body mounts here. There's one under there. So we gotta loosen all these up again, lift up this tub, do the same thing over here. both sliders on. They're looking great. There's only one thing missing, can you tell? Man, I'm kind of mad about that, but it's all right. They'll be in here this afternoon or probably tomorrow. So kind of looks a little bit off right now, but it'll do. So right now we're gonna clean up and then we're gonna put some decals on the Jeep.
Hey Goon Squad, this is a cool Jeep. If it's driving, you have to hold on to these handlebars. And if you want to see our video, then click on like and subscribe. Peace.
All right, so we're getting ready to throw these Rubicon decals on at the Jeep decal. We also got a silver flag, which is gonna look great. We're trying to get it on the exact marks of the original specs. So we got the measuring tape there. Oh yeah. Perfect. That looks awesome, dude. What are you thinking? What do you think about it?
I like it.
Give me that ball. He doesn't want to give me the ball. I'm gonna go pet the cat. What's up, cutie?
He wants a belly rub.
Mm-hmm. He's a good cat, but he jumps on all the Jeeps, so he's a bad cat.
Well, it's this sometimes.
All right, guys, now we're gonna put on this side here. Make it centered as possible.
I like the clear.
Oh yeah, that definitely makes it a lot easier. Use your little squeegee tool. That's a nice tool.
I do this because rubbing it heats it up and it makes that sticker stick a lot better. So
That's a good tip right there.
I do this.
America, represent the country, the land of the free, and the home of the brave. Looks awesome. So for these inner fenders, before we throw them on the Jeep, we're gonna pretty much, what do you got there?
Just undercoat the inside of them because they look like junk.
Right, so we're gonna use some rubberized undercoating. Gonna take care of that, hit these sections, the insides here. And that should do the trick. And improved mirrors are going on. They look pretty much brand new. Nice and slick. That paint is great, I gotta admit. Some tough tape. Some good automotive tape here by 3M. We are also gonna paint this little trim piece here because it kind of looks a little bit raggedy. But we'll be sure to take care of that, paint it with some trim paint also. Oh, it's a good day. Finally, the UPS man has arrived. What you got for us, Bill? How's it going?
Hey, fellas.
Does this feel like the fenders? Oh, yeah. All right, take care, man. Got a package here. I think it's the fender flares for the Sahara. I don't think it's the flares for the TJ or the Rubicon, but it's all right. We'll probably crack them open tomorrow, or you want to look at them right now?
Probably look at them tomorrow. Might put them on today. No, might have to wait for another.
Nah, we'll wait. We'll wait. But that's a package. I like to get a package every once in a while. Makes me happy. All right, now we're gonna pop in these inner fenders. Yes, sir.
Call me, sir.
Got that inner fender on. They're both on. That's about it for today, I think. What do you say?
Yep.
Just came across a little scenario here.
Little idea.
Yeah, that's pretty dang sick. I would love to see some taillights that are flush mount, that are square. Like these are round, but these are rectangular, so that looks pretty dang clean.
I wish they made something that LED like that, just screws right in, flush mount. That'd be sick.
Dude, that would be sick. Maybe we'll do something like that eventually in the future.
We're done for the day. We got everything installed. Now we're just waiting on the fender flares and whatnot. That should be in tomorrow. In the meantime, we're about to wrap it up, throw the hardtop on, and call it a day.
1, 2, 3. Just threw the hardtop on. Guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to do that now at goonzquad. Also, be sure to check out goonzquad.com, copy you a sticker because they're almost sold out, or copy a shirt, support your boys. Be sure to check out the links down below. We got a Patreon set up, so guys, if you want to support us there, you're making these videos possible. We'll only get better and we'll create better content for you. Also, if you want to check out our GoFundMe page, it's down below. It's going to help us build our shop build. So once we get that build, we're gonna have some sweet content, guys. If you're new, please like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.